Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send money using Wise from your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to wise.com. Once you're on the Wise homepage, click on the top menu, Features, then select Send Money. You'll be taken to the Send Money page, as shown here. Now on the right side of the screen, you'll see the transfer calculator. In the You Send Exactly box, enter the amount you want to transfer. Just below, you'll see how much the recipient will get. Wise also shows the real exchange rate and how long it's guaranteed. Under Paying With, you can select your preferred method, for example, a wire transfer. Wise clearly shows you the total fees before you proceed. Everything is transparent. When ready, click Send Money to enter recipient details and complete your payment. And that's how you send money using Wise directly from the Send Money feature page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.